And here we have the culprit. He's eaten through the bottom of my sack of bird seed. And he's enjoying the bird seed. I'm not sure which bits he's picking out, it's quite selective. But that's taught me not to buy a big bag of bird seed that's not in a solid plastic tub. He never used to bother with it outside of the bag, but now he's got a new trick. Yes, causing me some trouble there, mate. Hope you found all them blackbirds and robins. Come and eat that up for you, I'm sure they will. Pigeons might help. Right, off to work.